Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studio, and today we're looking at the Fisher & Paykel RF522WDLUX4 frost-free fridge freezer. Now this is a high quality product from a company that's full of innovation with New Zealand origins from the 1930s. They have grown to have manufacturing plants all over the world. With 400 patents, their products continuously evolve to suit customer needs. And this fridge freezer is an example of Fisher & Paykel's innovation. Their active smart system uses a microprocessor, temperature sensors, fans and air ducts to study your usage and adapt themselves to suit your individual needs. Design-wise, it's classy and sophisticated looking with high quality, easy to clean stainless steel doors and silver sides. The left-hand hinges are concealed, but it's also available with right-hand hinges, and the low-profile ice water dispenser adds to that sophisticated look. Opening the 342 net litre capacity fridge, you can see it's a massive space with a real top quality feel and look to all the fittings. The door shelves are bigger than average. There's two half shelves which are dairy shelves. You have two height adjustable half shelves below that. Then there's a full shelf with a sliding partition. That's height adjustable too. And the bottom shelf is also a full shelf with a sliding partition again. Now this matte silver shelf trim looks classy, and it continues into the fridge cabinet with its three height adjustable spill safe glass shelves. The fourth shelf acts as a lid for the two adjustable humidity fruit and veg crispers. Now up to the right is the touchpad control panel with lots of options. There's a big bright LED light at the top that runs very cool, very efficient and brightens up the whole fridge. There's a door open alarm which we've disabled for this review, and there's four stackable bottle holders. Nice simple design, but they work well because they don't slide and you can put them wherever you like in the fridge. Right, moving on to the 103 net litre capacity frost-free freezer. It's a drawer style rather than a door, with a chest style freezer in the bottom there. So there's lots of space to put your products in there. Above that is a drawer with some further storage. That's where the ice drops down into from the ice maker, which is above. There's a handy little ice scoop there as well for when the ice needs to come out. Right, dimensions wise, there's a height of 1,715 millimetres, there's a width of 790 millimetres, and there's a depth of 695 millimetres. But you will need to add on 5 millimetres either side of the appliance and at the back for clearance. Now another important dimension to consider if you're opening up to a side wall is the door balcony, and that is the door overhang, because these are quite thick doors, plus any handles when you're opening up against the side wall. Now in this case, for this particular product, a 90-degree opening angle adds about 65 millimetres on to the width of the product. So, summing up, this is a great product. Its 534 gross litre capacity is good for a large family. It oozes quality. Its A+ energy rating is easy on the pocket, and it's got a 5-year parts and labour guarantee. And you could have one in your home tomorrow, free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Mark's Electrical. And that's evenings and weekends included.